Now, State House lodges upgrades to cost taxpayers 1.309 billion Kenyan shillings, up from 928.7 million. Now, the Nairobi State House was initially budgeted at 195.47 million, but after it was revised, the budget went up to 795.47 million. The Mombasa State House was initially budgeted at 382 million. Then after it was revised, it went down to 302 million. The Nakuru State Lodge was initially budgeted at 195.49 million. Then after the revision, it went down to 125.49 million. The Eldoret State Lodge was initially budgeted at 70 million. Then after the revision, it went down to 30 million. The Sagana State Lodge was initially budgeted at 27 million, and after the revision, it remained at 27 million. The Kakamega State Lodge was initially budgeted at 15 million. After the revision, it went down to 10 million. The Kisumu State Lodge was initially budgeted at 14.94 million, but after the revision, it went down to 9.94 million. The Kisii State Lodge was initially budgeted at 19 million, but after the revision, it went down to 9 million. Mtito Andei State Lodge, it was initially budgeted at 5 million, but after the revision, they decided to do no upgrade since no money was allocated for the Mtito Andei State Lodge after the revision. The mechanical garage was to cost 4.8 million, but after the revision, it went down to 0.8 million. In total, as per January 15, 2024, the initial budget was supposed to be at 928.7 million, but after the revision, it went up to 1.309 billion Kenyan shillings. This is Cuba News.